In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix if you're having the trouble that is WWE 2K26 error. This game requires 6 GB of video memory error that is happening for many users and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is the required version for this particular game, the requirement is 6 GB of RAM. So you can go to the store page here, and if you cross check this from the game itself, if you scroll it down, and if you navigate to here, you can see this. It says 6 GB of must be having at least 4. The GPU must be around 6 GB. So in my case, if I go over here, search here for settings, and I click on the settings here. Go to the system, scroll it down and navigate to about. Now over here you can see the graphics card for me is having 4 GB. So that is one of the reasons why this is happening. So if you are having 4 GB, the possibility of playing the game will be less, but even though you can try few more things. So this is one of the main culprit why this is happening. Now we have to close this. The next one is all about, we have to go over here, search here for graphics settings. You have to click on the graphics settings. Now you should be able to add the game here. So here I have already added the game. So if you don't know how to add it, click on Add Desktop App. That is the first one. Now click on this particular icon here called Add Desktop App. Now from here, go to this PC, go to local disk A, Steam Library, Steam Apps, go to Common. Now from here, we have to scroll it down and navigate to the WWE 2K26 and add this. Here I have already added. So if you scroll it down, you will be able to find it. So I've already added. Once you add the game, click on the drop down menu here. The GPU preferences should be set into high performance. This will be by default. Let Windows decide. Change this to high performance here. Once you set this up, you have to close this. Close this and go back to the game. Then you have to launch the game and you have to check. Sometimes, it might work. Next one, we have to verify the game file. So just go over here, right click, go to the properties, install it file. Click on the verify integrity of game file and we have to check, and that will work. And also apart from this, if you are having multiple graphics card, that is one of the reason. So we have to disable the integrated graphics card. So go over here, type here for device manager, and you have to click on the device manager here. Now we need to expand this over here at the top. Now go to the display adapter. So if you are having multiple graphics card, you have to right click on this, go for the integrated graphics card should be disabled. So here in my case, I'm not having dual graphics card, but to the users who are having dual graphics card, you have to disable the integrated graphics card. Then you have to close this. Then you have to try updating your Windows. Go over here, search here for the settings, click on the settings. Now from here, we have to go to the Windows update. Just check for update. So if you're having any update, just update your Windows and most probably that's going to help. Next up is all about, we have to update the graphics card. So what you need to do is go to use. We have to go over here in the Google Chrome. Now you can search here for NVIDIA graphics card update. Just search like this. Now from here, click on the official site. Now to the users, those who are using NVIDIA, you can go to this particular site. This is the official site that will take you to this particular page here. Once you get into this, what you need to do is we have to go over here, make sure that everything selected based on your PC requirement and go for find. Now once you get into this, what you need to do is you will be taken into another page. From here, you have to try downloading 595.79. This particular version of a graphics card will work for most of you guys, because for me, when I'm trying to play the Resident Evil Requiem, when I had an issue, this particular one did work it for me. So you can try this out. Then try downloading and you have to check. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.